Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, November 8th, and let's face it, it's been one heck of a week. What's going to happen today? Well, I think the Trump trade's probably going to start to fade, and we can see a pullback. And rightly so, we've been at all time highs now for a couple of days. Need to pull back, create some market structure, because right now we have nothing to do but look at new movement, and there's no support or resistance. Very hard to come up with a technical analysis when we're at all-time highs. That being said, let's look at the calendar from forexfactory.com. 10 a.m. today, preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, all at 10 o'clock. Mortgage delinquencies, again, something I watch, but is not is something that gives you the overall temperature of the economy. Tentative sometime between 10 and 11 a.m. 11 a.m. we have FOMC member Bowman speaking. 2:30 p.m. FOM member Muslim speaks as well. So there you have it. That's all the news we have for today. Looking at the charts, you can see big time, two all-time high closes, maybe the beginnings of a pullback. We'll have to wait and see. Certainly would be healthy to see a pullback, maybe down all the way into the 59.25 area. That would be this prior high from back here in the kind of outside band of this consolidation band. Upside, nobody knows. I'd go with the whole number, 60.50, certainly within range, maybe even 6,100. Yeah, there's nothing up here to no volume. There's nothing up here, no previous action. Everything up here would be guesstimation on my part. We are above the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving average, which is bullish. We are kind of hovering around this trend line, which you can see. Maybe that'll give us some resistance. Who knows? Is what it is. Looking at the intraday, inventory was up yesterday, so was price action. That's the way the markets are supposed to work, and they are. Looking at the overnight action, very narrow range, only 20 points. That would have to be the low side. I know average is 20 to 25, something like that, but 20 is very low volatility for the overnight action. So we'll have to wait and see where that all pans out to be. Where do we have guesstimations on the top side? 60.28, 60.51, and 60.75 on the bottom side. Definitely have some support around 59.51. Some between right around 59.30, and of course down by 5,900, 59.04, 5,900, 58.80. Those are going to be heavy areas of support if we come down to those areas. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4, 52.4, so a slight positive bias for today based on historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That's all I've got for you. Hope you have a great weekend. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.